it is, to get on some of the technical questions here, let's take on this, just a minute from now, this triple curve, which I've used as a pedagogical device since about the beginning of 1996. And I'll discuss some of these other technical matters in that place. All right. It explains itself, and this will be on the website in many ways, again and again. Point is, you have three basic parameters you have to look at in order to understand how our economy is functioning. The lower curve, the one that's descending, these are all in terms of per capita rates. We have been descending in terms of the employment in productive labor, such as agriculture, infrastructure, basic physical production, over this period, per capita. The ratio is declining, and the percentile of the total throughput of the economy has been declining in these terms. We've also had an increase in the monetary aggregates and the financial aggregates. Now what's happened is we're building up a monetary debt built at a skyrocketing rate relative to a declining actual physical output and production. But you can see in any community, how many factories are there? How many farms are there? How many farmers are there? What's the level of productivity? Was it backward or is it progressive? Is it technological progress? What's the effect of the loss of the automobile industry in this physical output relationship? Now, but at the same time, we've had essentially since 1966, we've had a skyrocketing increase under the influence of the Vietnam War economy. A skyrocketing increase in the amount of monetary obligation. We've also had an increase in the financial aggregates. Now what has happened now is we've moved to a period in which these values, as you'll see, the financial aggregates have begun to fall. This decline in financial aggregates, which has occurred just recently in this last period, is the onset of the breakdown crisis. So we are dealing with this kind of situation, not what you're reading in the newspapers. This is what I presented also back in 2007 in defining the problem which we face now. Either we fix this problem, as I described it, or we don't make it as a nation.